GitHub Copilot has Plan Mode, a feature that thinks through implementation decision before writing any code. Today, I'll show you how to handle common challenges adding OAuth2 and JWT authentication to an existing Node.js application. You'll see how Plan Mode analyzes the code base, surface critical decision, and create a strategy before generating a single line of code. Let's dive in. Let's ground this with something real. We need to secure this Node.js API using OAuth2 and JWT. Sounds simple, right? But immediately question appears. Who issue the tokens? Where do we store them? What's the refresh strategy? How do we handle security? What about session management? And many more. If I jump straight to agent mode, Copilot answers these questions for me, and those answers become code. Instead, watch what happens with Plan Mode. Notice my instructions. I am asking to analyze, identify, and surface assumptions, not take action. My code base already has authentication packages installed, but unused. Plan Mode identifies that. It structures the implementation into 6 clear steps, from database setup to front-end integration. And most importantly, it surfaced 6 open questions for further considerations that I need to answer. These are the decisions I need to make, not Copilot. No code is written, no files changed, just strategy review. I can answer the open questions, approve the plan, or reject it entirely. This is the power of Plan Mode. You can control the direction before any code is written. Here is what just happened. Plan Mode surfaced critical decisions before any code was written. Without it, Copilot would have made those decisions for you, instantly turning assumptions into code. This same process works for any complex implementations, like database migrations, API integrations, architecture changes, or any. The pattern: analyze first, decide, then execute. So here is what you now know. Plan Mode forces you to think before Copilot codes. It surfaces decisions and questions you need to answer. Once you approve the plan, agent mode can execute safely. Want to see how different roles uses Plan Mode? Check the playlist in the description. If this was useful, like and subscribe. What's your role? Drop in the comment.